At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, an investigation is underway to identify human remains found in a St. Catherine community on Saturday about 9:15 a.m. Passers-by reportedly stumbled on the skeletal remains in a section of Cromarty and summoned the police. The police responded, and on arrival they saw that appeared to be human remains in partially burnt out bushes in a section of the community. The scene was processed and the remains removed for further examination. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what gone from water gone? Human skeletal remains discovered in St. Catherine community. Mighty God of Daniel, what is really happening? What is really going on? Yesterday them find body. They find a body. And now look at this now. Wow. Why my people? It is really sad. Pure Killing a go on. Pure Killing a go on. No man. This need to stop, man. This need to stop. Too much crime and violence upon the land. It is too much. Like literally, it is too much. This need to stop now. My wisdom warriors, I see say Andrew Wellness send out Matter Samoda for come trick the people. After them do what them do to the people them, yeah, them come out and I say a lie. Remember say Andrew Wellness, turn on pipe, Pure stunt him there, turn on pipe, and then did a shower and a ring bell and one bag of something. Then after Andrew Wellness gone, them come and remove the pipe. The people, they were so upset. The people were so upset, my wisdom warriors. No matter Samuda come out now and I say a lie. What is going on? One said the Jamaica Labour Party take the people them for idiot. Matter Samuda, what are you saying? Because you come like something wrong with you. You come like on sick on the blouse and skirt head. My people, I want to hear this for yourself.
Gets what? It is very unfortunate that these PNP mischief makers, who had decades to do right by the people of Mason Hall, have chosen to pour cold water on a project that will give 1,100 persons water in their homes. Now what's interesting is that it is this administration that has laid the pipes. It is this administration that has phased the project and says this is the end of phase 1 that will ensure the entire area of Mason Hall, Kidland, gets water. What you saw yesterday is the beginning of a new era for Mason Hall. Go in and sign up for your water. But ignore these mischief makers, because these are the same mischief makers that never gave Wentworth water. We did. These are the same mischief makers that didn't correct the issues in Gale. It is this administration that will do so with a new 6-inch ductile iron line. This is the same set of mischief makers that built houses in Eden Park, gave these houses to residents of St. Mary, and didn't run pipes and connect them with water. Very sad. But it is this administration that in weeks will break ground to give the people of Eden Park water in their homes, as we have given water to the community of Mason Hall. Now, when we commission systems, after we've done the testing, after we've ensured that everything is fine, after we're ready to bring customers online, we always do a ceremonial system. We don't go into people's yards, we don't go into their business place. We set up something on the road to be able to show that the lines are charged with water. That is what we did yesterday. The NWC no longer installs standpipes. We're in the business of putting water in people's homes and businesses, not just simply putting it in the center of a community. So when we do commissionings, we do two things. We either use a fire hydrant or we set up a temporary system on the roadside that allows the entire community to come and see that water is indeed in their lines. We showed very clearly yesterday that water is in the lines, the system is charged and is ready for the residents of Mason Hall. Now it's time for you to sign up with NWC to get your meter, get your account, and get your water in your house. Either meet us at 22 Senate Drive at the NWC offices in Port Maria, or you can join us on April the 3rd, Thursday, this coming Thursday, in Mason Hall to sign up for your accounts. It's your time now to have water in your house. The pipes are there, we're ready for you. Just come and sign up. They are not like us. We are not like them. We give people water, we invest in Jamaica, we choose water for Jamaica. And this administration.
You see, Mate Samuda wicked to the Jamaican people. Mate Samuda is telling the world that PNP is being mischievous. And when the people, when NWC come with them van and remove the pipe, this little boy where you see ya, this little boy Mate Samuda, no net boy where you see ya, I come out and I tell the people them say it is false. And PNP I make mischief. How PNP for make mischief when the people them out and wanna see NWC and move the pipe. The people them upset about what happened and you talking about PNP is being mischievous and this is false. Wanna sick or something? You know so me can't wait. You see what me say wanna do right now? You see what me say wanna do right now and then Andrew Wallace she have the audacity to repost you and I talk about a lie PNP I tell? Really? You see people like Uno will never get another term. Me not ask Uno, me I tell Uno that Uno will never get another term. Remember me tell Uno too wicked man, Uno wicked to the bone. Uno dangerous. People not for go around people like Uno. Uno too wicked to Uno own people. Uno make people have we as laughing stock, a laugh at the Jamaican people. Uno government boy and government girl. Uno not have no respect to the Jamaican people. Mighty God of Daniel. Uno come out and talk about PNP be mischievous and the video was there. The video is there. The evidence is there. My wisdom warriors, I want to take a look at the video again where Mata Samuda and Andrew Holness I say it is false and nothing go like that. Take a look.
What kind of trick is? After the Prime Minister come at the mountain and Mason Hall come say water go run. As the Prime Minister left and they take down back the water. What kind of trick is?
My wisdom warriors, wanna see that? Wanna see that? So when Mata Samuda talk about PNP is mischievous and all these things, what are you guys saying? What una say? Because the evidence is there and the people they not tell no lie. Una for change no ways, brother. Una for change no ways. And I want Jamaican people open up on eye. And them type of people here una want to continue lead we. If we not allow the Jamaica Labour Party to stay in power, we definitely are going to suffer like drunk from I tell you that. We are going to suffer Jamaica. So we have to get rid of these people. We have to get rid of the Jamaica Labour Party. Because them out here are trick on. Them out here are trick on. Mighty God of Daniel, what can go like this? What can go like this? It pain me heart when I see the people them stand up there and I say look what them a do. As the Prime Minister gone, them a remove the pipe. It pain me heart. And when I see a politician, a minister, a lawmaker come out and a lie to the people, it really pain me heart. Me can't hide it, Jamaica. It pain me heart. Me grieve. Me I tell you no. Me grieve. Me grieve. But guess what? Jamaican people, they want to learn the hard way. They want to learn the hard way. But we, the well-thinking Jamaicans, not depend that. Lab rats, them okay with Andrew Wellness and him dirty, stinking behavior. Them okay with it. But guess what we are going to do? All undecided voters, you must see what is going on. You must depend on social media and see where Andrew Wellness are do. You need to run out because guess what? If you allow Andrew Wellness to stay in power, all you are going to get checked too. Now, but that thing say only PNP and Labour right. You are going to get checked too. So you better stand firm in this. Stand firm and go out and vote out Andrew Wellness. No, man, we have to stop this. We have to break this type of curse. We have to break these things. How can you have a lawmaker behaving like this? People will go out, travel the world, and say them represent us. But yet, when them in the country of Jamaica, they are taking the piss out of us. Huh? We need to get rid of these people. We need to get rid of these politicians. They no mean we well, Jamaica. And I want to wake up. We have to go stop sleep. No is not the time for sleep. We have to wake up, open up on the eye. Open up on the eye and vote out Andrew Wellness. Anyway, my people, me I go bring you straight over Donnelly Donaldson's mother. Because right now, Donnelly Donaldson's mother, she is out protesting justice for Donnelly. You know, say, Noel Maitland, his court case is on the 28th of April, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's on the 28th of April, my people. We want justice for Donnelly Donaldson because I'll know nobody no know where Donnelly dey. I'll know nobody no know where Donnelly dey, my people. So guess what? Take in Mama Sophie.
The clock in halfway 3. We are going to read this evening. We want the world to know. We want TikTok to know. We want Facebook to know. Come on, somebody. Facebook Live? Anybody Facebook Live? Facebook Live? All right. Good evening, Facebook. Good evening, my lovely people. Mama Sophia once again here at the clock in halfway 3. Remember, we have our protest, our march today. We begin a little bit late, my apology, but we are going to leave from here to Emancipation Park. All right? Join with us. Welcome, welcome. Thank you all. Those who can't make it out with us, we still love you. Those who are standing with us, keep standing with us. All right, TikTok, anybody TikTok live? TikTok, anybody TikTok live? Where she is, TikTok live. Who have the TikTok live? Welcome, TikTok people, welcome. Welcome, we are here and we are standing for justice for Donnelly and the others. All the others, all the mothers that are grieving for their child. Anybody that is grieving today for loved ones, it is not just about Donna. Justice, we say, yes, Mama. Blessings to you, my dear. Blessings to you, my dear. Justice we want, justice we must get. We want to know where is Donnelly. We demand answers from Noel Maitland. What he did with Donnelly Donaldson on the 12th of July 2022. Listen to me, people. I don't care if it's 50 years. It's my child. She's my daughter. She's somebody's sister. She's somebody's friend. She's somebody's aunt. She's somebody's cousin. And we are gathered here today, family and friends. And I want to thank each and every one of you out here today who took the time out to stand with me. Those who can't stand with us here, please join us at Emancipation Park. We will gather there and then we will finalize from there. All right? We want justice for Donnelly. Call her name! Donnelly. What's her name? Donnelly. We want justice. When we want it? No. When we want it? No. When we want it? No. Justice. We are just waiting until we get a couple more people here. Since as we was told, we put it for the clock, so we will wait here to meet with a couple people. But if anybody miss us, meet us at Emancipation. That's where we are going to be, Emancipation Park. All right? We need justice, and that's why we are here to remind you guys that on the 28th of April, we will be going back to court for trial. 22. My condolences goes out to the other mothers who have lost their child. My condolence goes out to all the family members who today is in the same shoes like mine.
Hi.
For the others who have never experienced losing a loved one, I want you to stand with us. You never know when it will reach your doorstep. Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. And because of that, we want to stand here today and let you know that justice must be served. We won't back down until justice is served. We are not more concerned about the justice system like how we are concerned about Noel telling us where and what he did with Donnelly Donaldson. They said he's in the lockup right now waiting for trial. Why can't he confess? Why can't he talk? What happened to Donnelly Donaldson? We're tired of the hush-hush. We're tired of the hush-hush. And I know it alone know about this murder. And I know it know about this unalive case. Somebody else know. Somebody else need to talk. We need justice. We want to know where Donnelly is. No justice. Come on, people. No justice.
Hi guys, everybody know our TikTok page because we are going live on TikTok now.
What's her name? Call her name. Call her name. Call her name. Justice. Justice. We need justice. And that's why we are here today. We are not getting crazy. We are sober. We are conscious. And we are God-fearing. And we come out here today.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna see say Mama Sophie nah give up. Mama Sophie nah give up. One thing when me love about Mama Sophie, I love her determination. She's not giving up. She mean justice for her daughter. Justice she want and a justice she have to get. I stand with you, Mama Sophie. And guys, I want to remember, so the 28th of April is Noel Maitland court case. We want this boy, police boy, to go down. You understand? Enough of them do too much things out the road and I get away with it. We want to set an example out of Noel Maitland. My people, wanna tell me what to think. But right now, we have to go over Kingston and St. Andrew. Uno no hear say Pernell Charles Arcade bundong again. What can go so? What can go so? After Mayor Swaby fix up the place nice, you know, nice and neat. The little dirty kin labrats them go burn it down because I must them do it. Bad mind I go kill them, you see. Firefighters are on location at the Pernell Charles Arcade in downtown Kingston, where a fire reportedly broke out at a section of the facility this afternoon. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
I'm there. Come in, Chief.
CEO KCMC. I was alerted by the superintendent of fire for the parish of Kingston and St. Andrew, Jamaica Fire Brigade, that there was a fire here at the Pernell Charles Arcade. The call came in at 1:18 p.m. today, Sunday, March 30th. So we're on scene now. I am joined by the Vice Chairman of the Commercial Services Committee of the KCMC, Councillor Sarah Marshall. I'm also joined by the City Inspector and members of the City Inspectorate team.
All right, just tell me what you heard happen or what you observed.
Unfortunately, the Pernell Charles Arcade again has been impacted by a fire. Months after one occurred, late November. So, unfortunately, another fire occurred here at the Pernell Charles Arcade. Just months after one occurred here in late 2024. This is confined to another section of the arcade where some stores were on fire. I believe that about 4 units from the fire brigade have attended with several members of the fire brigade who have put the fire under control, and they're now doing cooling down operations as well as assessing initial damage. We can see
amongst and around us that there are several stall holders, vendors that are here clearing out their areas, and we are joined by the police, supported by the JCF. So things are basically under control. People are observing, people are moving, and there's a bit of chaos as you would expect, as fires characteristically are, but it is quite unfortunate. Standard operating procedure. We are going to await the outcome of the fire investigation, the initial outcome. We're going to have a meeting led by His Worship the Mayor, the heads of the Commercial Services Unit, along with my administrative team. With the members of the arcade, they already have a structure in place with a president and an executive and so on. So we'll be meeting with them to conduct a walkthrough and an assessment. Again, I'd like to reiterate that our insurance coverage does not cover contents, but rather the structure and the building. So those things will have to be discussed as well.
All right, and finally, they don't know how many persons were affected by this?
I am not yet sure. I'm not yet sure.
I'm Acting Superintendent Barrington Marshall from the York Park Fire Station.
Right, can you just tell me what is happening here?
At present, we have received a call of building and fire pertinent to Charles Arcade. We responded with 2 units. When we got here, we realized that the magnitude of the fire require a number of units. So additional units were brought in, and we have attacked the fire. We have not yet found the seat of the fire. So firefighting operation still continues as we speak.
Of course, it's early days to say the estimate of the fire, cause of the fire.
We have not yet determined an estimate at this time.
Where was the fire contained?
Just numerous stalls within the building, and we have not yet found the seat of the fire. So we are still fighting the fire at this present time.
My people, this no look good at all, and this not right. Every time them come and I burn down the place. You know, say, me get to understand, say, they want the place there, you know. I get to understand, say, they want use the place there and build up park. That's why them a burn it down. This need to stop. This need to stop. Things can't go on like that, man. They need to set up cameras all over the place there when they fix up this time. This not right, man. This not right. The people them a get out of hand. You know, so somebody comment my wisdom warriors and I say, oh, a thief, they thief light. The people they not thief no light. No light, the people them not thief. The way how Mr. Swaby set the place. The way how Mr. Swaby set the place, nobody can thief no light. The people them have light. So no dirty king labor right come out every time I chat off on a mouth. It just burn no. Because Mr. Swaby is doing the right thing for the Jamaican people. And through phone no mayor never did I do nothing. That no problem. On catch a bad mind. Wanna catch a bad mind. Uno too wicked. Una burn it down. Then I go see Desmond Mackenzie come out and stand up and talk about him. I go fix up place. Hey, you think me trust uno? Me not trust uno dirty king labor right. Me not trust uno. Una go and like say una good somebody. I don't care about the Jamaican people. But really and truly, I wanna self wanna care about. Una not care about nobody, man. Una not care about nobody. Anyway, my people, I want to take in Nikisha Burchell. Hear this.
Hello. This week we're talking about the Portmore plot, how the JLP got caught trying to hack the Constitution. So, the JLP passes a law, ignores expert warnings, gets dragged to court, loses, and calls it a win. That's like breaking into a house, tripping the alarm and saying, see, I was only testing the security system. This is The Breakdown. I'm Nikisha Burchell, and today we're talking about the Portmore Parish disaster, how the JLP tried to cheat the Constitution, how the court stopped them, and how the PNP had to step in to clean up the mess. Let's jump right into it. So this is like the rush job no one ordered, right? The JLP's plan was simple. They were going to rush the Portmore Parish law through Parliament before anyone could have asked a who. Never mind, the Electoral Commission of Jamaica sent a letter, not a vibe check, not a blog post, not a tweet, a formal letter way back in June 2024 saying, hey guys, if you do this now, you'll violate constitutional rules around constituency boundaries. You'd think that kind of warning would slow them down, don't? Nope, not these guys. Instead, they passed the Counties and Parishes Amendment Act through both houses, the upper house and the lower house. They ignored the ECJ, they skipped public consultation and tried to bully the PNP. So what happened next? The bill passed. Yep. The Governor General gave his assent and the government went full speed ahead. They gazetted it and even told the ECJ that Portmore was now officially a new parish and they should just get on with the business of preparing the voters list for this new parish. Yes, you heard that right. All right, let us be clear. This wasn't a little misunderstanding. This was a full-blown constitutional ambush. The court steps in and called a constitutional timeout. What did the PNP do? We took it to the court. And the court said exactly what we already knew. The judge issued an injunction, then forced the government to give an unequivocal undertaking, that is, a legal promise, not to bring the law into effect until they follow Section 67 of the Constitution. So basically, the court said, stop, go back, learn the rules, and try again. Next election cycle. That means no implementation of the law, no new boundaries, no Portmore as a parish until the ECJ carries out a proper review. And guess what? That review can't legally happen until February 2026, according to former ECJ chair, Professor Errol Miller. So the court didn't side with the JLP. The court restrained them. They had to give a formal undertaking, a legal pinky promise that they wouldn't act unless the Constitution is followed to the T. And if they want to reverse that promise, they need to give 30 days written notice to the PNP. Now, here comes the fun part. The JLP spin machine. Alonda Terrelong says it's a win for Portmore. I agree, just not for the JLP. The only reason this law can't take effect today is because the PNP went to court. That's not a win for the JLP. That's a save for the Constitution led by the People's National Party. Now, if this were a one-time thing, we might call it a mistake. But this government, they collect court losses like they are champs. They have a habit of fighting the Constitution and losing badly, repeatedly, bigly. Let's run the receipts. States of emergency, unconstitutional twice. NIDS bill, struck down by the court. Citizen, wrongfully detained under the state of emergency, he sued the government and he won bigly. The same government tried to put the Chief Justice on probation. That was reversed. They worked overtime to extend the tenure of their chosen DPP all the way to the appeals court. This same Prime Minister and government gave pre-signed resignation letters for JLP senators, totally illegal and slapped by the court. They delayed local government elections by a full term and only called it after we threatened legal action. This isn't a government following the law. This is a government that waits to be caught. A government that thinks the Constitution is optional, that believes process is for other people, not for them. But don't let them rebrand a blunder. This isn't about Portmore's worthiness. It is about the rule of law, your constitution. The JLP tried to push through a change that affects how Jamaicans vote without respecting the constitution, the ECJ, or you, the people. So the next time they tell you, hey, we won, tell them the court disagrees. This is The Breakdown. I'm Nikisha Birchall, and when it comes to defending the Constitution, we don't spin, we roll with it.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this, put on an honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome my people. I want to go over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Hot Off of the Press. Blessings, one love.